We're here at one of our favorite booths, the Bradford booth, with Nicole.
Hello.
Thank you so much. And it is always a delight to see what you guys have got going on. We were passing by. We saw some new handle materials first, and then we got to looking, and we've also got a new designation for the blade steel. So let's talk about what you guys have been up to.
Okay. So this year is the year of compiling customer feedback. We are super tight with our customers. We ask them lots of questions, and they give us lots of responses. So this year was, how can we be a customer-driven company, and what do our customers want? So the first thing was MagnaCut. We know MagnaCut. We've been around MagnaCut for 3 years, and the request has been a MagnaCut high hardness. So really pushing that heat treatment to about 63, 64. And so now we've got the Guardian 3 in high hardness, the newest Guardian 3.2 in high hardness. And what we are known for is this compact EDC, and now it's this small EDC that can do really tough things.
Yeah. This is like ideal right here. You put it in your hand and it just fits perfectly.
Yes. So heat treat, super important. MagnaCut, we love. It's sticking around. We want to play around with it some more. And then it's this customization. Everybody knows we like our options and customization. So adding to that, one of our most popular scales is this G-Wood. And so the G-Wood is made to order. And I was ordering some more G-Wood, and they said, you can order different colors, right? And I was like, what? Okay, yeah, I would like to order more colors. So we actually had a little game. So I went around the shop and I said, hey, they're going to make us some samples. They say we can layer any color. What colors do you want to layer? So I'll tell you, this one was mine. That was my option. This was Wayne's. Golly, I don't think Brad weighed in on this. And so you get to choose different colors to layer. We're still playing around with it, but tell us what colors you want.
Because I got to say, I'm really digging on this one. I love this.
Yes. It's called Lemon. That's what they named it for us, but we just tell them 3 colors and you get to layer any 3. And they'll make it to order. It's so cool. And so we're just having fun with it. Of course, we wanted to do red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
I love it. And then kind of just a shout out to something so beautiful. The natural burlap micarta is here to stay. Natural and OD green. I think this is so beautiful, so stunning. That's a scale that we're keeping.
Nice. Now, the models right now that we're seeing on the table are the 3.2, obviously, in the MagnaCut HH. But the MagnaCut HH is coming to more of the lines in the future, right?
Yes. We are going to see the 3.5 coming soon. And then this is totally customer feedback. The G3 sheep's foot. The G3 sheep's foot is going to be in MagnaCut HH. It's a blade that is really, really loved.
Yeah.
People
absolutely.
love a sheep's foot. And so we haven't forgotten, and there's one customer in particular that is going to be really happy. So
that is fantastic, and I love the new color options. I love the steel.
Yes.
You guys are absolutely awesome. Nicole, thank you so much.
Thank you, TC.